Yo, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alkaline just released a song called Deep Sleep. The man a say I put them in a deep sleep. You know say when him put them in a deep sleep, them now wake up back. And you know say DJ Chaddy there and me I go review it right now. But people, before we go into the review, remember if it's the first time watching this video, just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. Wake up out of your deep sleep.
Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia. Jay got the links, big like the mafia, them have a Russia. Love me killer, them all I'm a stepper, them a crusher. Anyhow, we see the target over, that's how we a go for. Listen to me dog, man, in family fi suffer. Left a wall in the head, so them nothing for recover. Body get chop up and mince with the cutter, press your trigger, making us a bun smoke like a muffler. Happy when me see people like the damn that I go shut down.
So people, first thing is first, me tell you this. It's a gun song, but people, remember, a lyrical the man a talk about. So anything you hear in that song, nobody take it the wrong way and feel like say a physical thing the man a deal with. Yeah, Alkaline probably bad as lyrics, but me no know him as no gunman. I'm matter of fact, me no know no artist as no gunman or bad man. Me no know that something there. We are talking about music. So no care how me explain that song, little kids, remember, music the man a talk about. So now that's we establish that and get it out of the way. Make we go straight in the review. The man a same links big like the mafia them where them have a Russia. And everybody when know say the Russian mafia them, yo, them man they have links with everybody. Probably the man them all have links with the president. But we not talk about that. We are talk about how Alkaline a say him link them big. And the man a say all of the youth them round him, all of the stepper them round him, all of the quenga them round him. Him have the real love there for them. You see me say him now go do nothing for harm them. Yo, Jaja, that song you sound like it bad already, you know, it's a busted song this.
Jacob push out, squeeze couple pan them. We not give a fuck if a 30 man them. Them a no chatter, just some the people but them. And if them want problem, that a no problem.
Alkaline say him one, we step to them. Him no business. I could have 30 man them a par with. I could have 50 man them a par with. Him no business. But Alkaline, who ya talk right this so? Cause I must mad ya talk right this you know. Who par with 30 man strong? John, Alkaline, what make you have to stay so every song where you do, you ever put some subliminal punch in a them, we have to figure out who him attack. And people ever say a popcorn, you know, but me don't know. Popcorn kind of par with whole heap of man still with whole heap of bike. Why I don't know, star, me don't know. But if you know who him attack in that song, leave it in the comment section.
Pull up on them, wet them up and them me do the dash. Rifle shot a cook your skin and turn it in a hash. Suck no matter what mash them up and left the cash. Straight murder we a pre our work can't squash.
So right you know, in a broad daylight Alkaline you go pull up on them, wet them up, and then you do the dash, and then rifle shot, a bake him skin, turn it in a hash. Chano star ya deal with the crime scene, grimy. But people, who him attack, me don't know star, or it's just a regular gun song. But feel say I just a regular gun song, you know, and probably my brain a work and I take it out of proportion. But Alkaline, that song you bad, that song you vivid. This is how gun song supposed to sound, because people remember, me are no bad people. Me no think that my subscriber them are bad people. We no promote violence around here, only in a song. So if you want to express your violent part, put it in a song or put it in a movie or show. And that's how me feel. You see me?
Deep sleep, shut eye. In a coffin box, the mama fi just fly. We raise hell, feel hell rise. Up in a big gate and head up, we just fly. One a day, one a night. Just a simple man ride up on a bike. A deep sleep, shut eye. In a coffin box, me no jacket on. Just again another time.
People, I want to listen the chorus. Listen the chorus vivid and hear how it grimy. Hear how it dark. The man say a deep sleep, shut eyes. In a coffee box, the mother office just cry. Me raise hell till hell rise. Open up the gate and make another dopey fly. One a day, one a night. Just a simple man ride up on a bike. A deep sleep, shut eyes. In a coffee box, me in a jacket and tie. And people, that's just the chorus. I mean, I tell you, say, the chorus then I take it normal. You see them 4 little line there, alright. I don't know, because sometimes I can't go. But you see them line there, a serious line, it explain every single thing what go on. It show you say, I want simple man on a simple yang bike. I go forward and just flick you up here. Make your mother ball over your casket, water forward from out her eyes and your little 3-piece jacket, tie and suit and everything. Well, look dapper out, cha-cha boy out. For your funeral, Jaja, it no look good.
Time what thing a straight grime on idiot. Pussy them not ready for the crime. You know see that darkness I take over my mind. Me a see black. Bag a enemy dead if you kill me na figure to no relax. Me them can't kick up our box.
And here Alkaline goes again. Who no relax, me them can't kick up our box. Who did get kick up? Who did get box up? Remember say, then this kind of box pop you over one part over one small island, one policeman. But I don't know, star, what one right here, so.
But I tell the cheer and out like a man and just know see how with that. Them can't tame we so go tell the cops. Split them head in a half with the pickaxe a miss up. Alright, see them bout them in a all white. Yeah, them bout them a so if you put down every gun and all night. Boy coulda call for Christ. No mercy fit them pussy the way attack way all life.
And this is why Alkaline name we name. And this is why Alkaline always get the fame. And people always affiliate Alkaline. Hear the flow there. And me say alright. The man a forward with not only lyrics, but the man a forward with melody and flow. Imagine gun song with melody and flow. You see me? And that's why people affiliate Alkaline. And that's why me like the song. But people that are me, we uno like the song, put it in the comment section below. Cause me I tell you, enough shot of fire in that song. You know? I mean I think none of I shot them I miss. But who I get the shot them? Listen for my next review. And me tell you how I get them shot here. Miss alright.
One of them will catch get delayed. That I never start a buckle and not take retreat. Pull it to them front grill, knock out them teeth. Happy when me see people like the damn that I got shot up. Drake push out, squeeze couple bandit. We no give a fuck you load, couple line friend. Them a no chat, just some dopey but them and if them want problem, that I no problem. Pull up on them, wet them up and them me do the dash. Rifle shot a cook your skin and turn it in a hash. Suck no matter what mash them up and let the cash. Straight murder we a pre, our work can't squash. Deep sleep, shut eye.
People are some serious war Alkaline a pray. Alkaline a say in a no white flag, the warrior, it can't squash you know. So you see if Alkaline and a next artist did in a one little war back in the past and them want come wave white flag and now he must say that not go work brother. Take your white flag and go do something else with it. But the warrior it now go squash. And me now go stop shoot off of you until you're dead. Hold on, who say them dead? I don't know, star. Me don't know. I know me I try to figure it out. I don't know if a popcorn in really attack. I don't know. Me have a feeling say a popcorn still. But as well me tell you, listen out for my next review. Me I go reveal who Alkaline attack in that song ya. Who Alkaline I put in a deep sleep. John was star, I swear. Maria, that's deep sleep and it catchy. You see me? Deep sleep, yo, the boss have it hook them like whoa. I don't know, star, but tell me in the comment section what you think about that song.
Deep sleep, shut eye. In a coffin box, the mama fi just cry. We raise it, till hell rise. Up in a big get and head up, we just fly. One a day, one a night. Just a simple man ride up on a bike. A deep sleep, shut eye. In a coffin box, me no jacket and just again a little time.
So people, that's the end of my review, you know. So as what I'm telling you already, I'm going to tell you 1,000 times. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Just tell me if you don't like that song. Tell me if you don't like this review. Tell me if you don't think say Alkaline fall off. Come here, a lot of people say from Wadi, Alkaline fall off. But me, I'm going to tell you in the next review. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to click the like button if you like this review. If you like this song, click the like button. And as always, thanks for watching. If you're a new subscriber, if you're a new person, if I first y'all see the Chaddy Murray channel, if I first y'all hear about my channel, if I first y'all watch a video from me, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, y'all gonna be the first to know. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. Deep sleep.
In a cafe maximum if you just fly, yeah. We raise hell, till hell rise. Up in a big gate and ended up we just fly, yeah.